The weather department says it may rain in all parts of Bangladesh, including Dhaka, in the next 24 hours. They also said the temperature might drop. The forecast is for the 24 hours starting from 9 a.m. on April 28. The report says a low-pressure area is stretching from West Bengal across southwestern Bangladesh to the northern Bay of Bengal. Because of this, some places in Rangpur, Rajshahi, Dhaka, Mymensingh, Khulna, Borishal, Chattogram and Sylhet may see rain, thunderstorms and gusty winds. About the heat wave, the department said that a mild heat wave is happening over Gopalganj, Pabna, Sirajganj, Jashore and Patuakhali district, but it may weaken soon. During this time, daytime temperatures across the country may fall by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius and nighttime temperatures may fall slightly too. Desk report, Bangladesh Guardian.